Since the origin code was revealed, harmony blossomed, a shared future had begun. But something is coming.
The stars are not silent anymore.
What are they saying?
A warning.
The code was not just a map, it was a key, and something has used it.
Is that another ship?
New. It's something alive.
It was not a superpower, not a destroyer. It was a keeper of lost civilizations.
You have unlocked what was hidden. Now, you must witness what was lost.
The trial was not of strength, memory, of truth.
Unity failed before. What makes you different now?
To close the rift, one must stay behind, one mind to hold it shut forever.
I will go. My time is past.
What are they saying?
What if we share the burden? Not war, not power, but understanding that was the key all along. From a single need to a shared past, now they walk the stars as one.
We are not from here, but here we became something new.
To be continued, Part 5, The Echo Signal.